Hello everyone, I'm Naman and I'm working as a data engineer. So as a data engineer or as a software engineer, it is very necessary to learn SQL. Back in my university days, I find it really hard to learn SQL. So I Google about various courses on SQL and want to learn more about SQL so that I will become very good at query. So there are basically multiple sites that you can use to improve your SQL query writing skills. But I would suggest if you want to learn about the SQL, there are only 3 to 4 sites that I can think is the most relevant. You can get most of out of it, and you can improve your SQL query writing skills. So for without further wasting any time, let's jump into the Google browser where I have opened all of the sites. First, there is a YouTube channel called CoreBank. So CoreBank is a very good YouTube channel if you want to learn about the SQL. There, it has a complete video series of 135 YouTube videos. Including the YouTube videos, it also has the blog related to his each YouTube video. So basically, if you are watching its first video regarding connecting to SQL server, there is also a blog where you can read about it. So connecting to SQL server. So it is basically both a video lecture and hands-on exercise. You can learn learn with practicing. So here you can see it is the practical example or the steps you can say to help you set up the SQL. So for each video, he has created a blog. You can read the blog as well, and also if there is any query he has written to learn to show you about a certain SQL, you can go through that as well. So in this video, he has covered all the SQL topic, including joins, including rank, including indexes, and including, I would say everything is included in that video. If you just follow all 135 videos, you will be very good at SQL. So further down, if you really wanted to learn more about SQL through practical, there is a site called DataCamp. It is not free, but it is paid. You just have to pay around $9 to $10 monthly. So it is basically a very good site if you want to learn practically. It has their own database engine, so you can learn SQL in their own SQL engine. So you just need to create your account on DataCamp and start learning the SQL. So there are basically 36 different courses on SQL. You can take as much as you want. So it is very good. I personally use this site as well to improve my SQL query writing skills. Further, if you are not willing to spend any money to learn SQL, then there is another site for you that is called SQL HackerRank. So HackerRank is basically also provide you online engine for writing the query. How can you learn through the HackerRank is basically they provide you some queries. You just need to write down the query and submit it. So there is their own database engine. You can write the query and then the result will come out. If the query is correct, it will display the results, and the pop-up message will display that your solution has been successfully accepted. Further, you can also break down the SQL by intermediate, advanced. I would say if you are able to achieve 5-star in HackerRank in your SQL, you will be very good. I believe then you will be very good at your SQL query writing skills. So in my opinion, there is only these three sites would be sufficient for you to learn the SQLs. Thank you very much. If you have any further question, you can comment below.